So I got this bug hotel early last year and put it out, and I saw lots of solitary bees, leaf cutters flying in and blocking it all up with mud. I've been looking at it and there's a lot of mistakes that I made, so I'm going to be learning and giving information as well so other people don't make the same mistake as I did. Now if you look here, that's the solitary bee at the back. So it was like that, it was blocked up. It's been over winter like this, so I expect lots of mites have got in, and I expect that bee to be dead at the back. So I'm going to find out exactly what I need to do. I think the issue is with this bamboo as well, you can't really check on them, so I've ordered cardboard tubes, same size as this, and I think there's too many of these as well. So I'm going to have a look at this one and see what the damage is. You can see something, the mites are there, look. So yeah, I've stripped it. As you can see, there's lots of grubs and horrible things here, so you need to be able to clean these bug hotels. It's going to have lots of critters and mites at the back, so you need to spray it and treat it, clean it, get at the bees as well, so that's why cardboard tubes are better. So this is what I've constructed from the old bee house. So I filled up all these holes because I don't want too many, so these are fine, and then all the nooks and crannies I filled in, so I've given it some nice paint. And then so you can get to the back of the bees to, if you need to check on them, and then you can obviously clean the area. That's the most important thing, so we can clean it. And yeah, so I've got these cardboard inserts so they can be easily removed to check on the bees. So I bought a lot. There was about 14 quid for the whole bag, but as you see, you're not going to use that many of it, so yeah, and it's fixed well onto the wall, so it's not going to blow about in the wind. So yeah, I think that's going to be okay.